Bollywood is no stranger to run-ins with law. The renewed furor over the 2002 hit-and-run case involving Salman Khan reminds us that several Bollywood bigwigs have been found on the wrong side of law. Many actors and actresses have been imprisoned or fined or both in cases that include drunken brawls, arms possession, fake passports, domestic violence, and drug-related legalities, among others. So here is the list. Actor Sanjay Dutt. Arrest following 1993 Mumbai blast case can be considered the ugliest case ever in the history possible. Seriously, history of Bollywood till date. The actor was arrested and jailed for 16 months between 94-96 under the Tada. He's presently serving his remaining jail term of 5 years in Pune's Yerwada jail. Shania, who's the promising actor of gangster fame, shocked the country when reports of his maid pressed rape charges against him was surfaced. However, the domestic help went back on her charges later, but the circumstantial evidences were enough for the court to hold the actor guilty. On March 30, 2011, a Sessions Court judge sentenced Ahuja to 7 years of imprisonment along with a fine of Rs 3,000. John Abraham. In April 2006, John crashed his Suzuki Hayabusa motorbike into a bicycle and injured 2 people. Since no fatal injuries were caused to the victims, John was granted bail by the Bombay High Court after a Bandra court had sentenced him to 15 days of imprisonment for rash driving. Tabu, Neelam and Sonali Bendre. Salman Khan, seen as the prime accused in the black bag poaching case, was accompanied by his co-stars Tabu, Neelam, Sonali and Saif Ali Khan from Hum Saath Saath Hain at the time of the incident in September 1998. Since the actors were identified by the sole eyewitnesses, 3 actresses have to be present at all the hearings concerning the case. Saif Ali Khan, he once again landed into a trouble after the Black Buck case in 2012 when he allegedly manhandled and punched a South African businessman seated next to the actors' clan consisting of Kareena Kapoor, Karishma Kapoor and Amrita Arora, her husband Shakil Ladakh, Bilal Amrohi and Malaika Arora Khan at Taj Kulaba. The actor was booked for assault under Section 325 of IPC and got arrested only to be released on bail. A local court today referred the 2012 Saif Ali Khan brawl case for mediation. The Metropolitan Magistrate has referred the case for mediation. Khan has consented to it. However, the complainant Iqbal Sharma has not given his consent to it. Reports say that the case is likely to come up next on July 22nd, 2015. Shah Rukh Khan, a social activist Varsha Deshpande, along with several female feticide activists, filed a sex determination case against superstar Shah Rukh Khan and his wife Gauri Khan post the birth of their youngest son Abram in 2013. However, the celebrity couple maintained that they had no prior knowledge about the sex of the child. Monica Bedi hit turbulent waters after her affair with gangster Abu Salim surfaced. However, she was in for more trouble after she entered Portugal with fake documents and subsequently got arrested. The actress had to spend 2.5 years of jail time after she was proven guilty in 2006, and then we finally saw her in Big Boss, as if nothing happened only. Fardeen Khan, yes, actor Fardeen Khan's drug addiction almost cost him a visit to jail after he was busted while attempting to buy cocaine. May 2001, since the actor pled guilty and denied any intentions of further sale of the drugs, he was let off after a de-addiction treatment. Govinda's temper problems landed him in a trouble in 2007 when the actor slapped Santosh Rai, an onlooker who allegedly trespassed and harassed girls in the perimeter of Govinda sets of Money Hai To Honey Hai. The film, the victim filed an assault and criminal intimidation case against the actor in Bombay High Court and even tried to drag the actor to Supreme Court without much success. Suraj Pancholi, the latest one. Jia Khan's mysterious suicide sent the nation into a dizzy. However, it's the involvement of Aditya Pancholi's son Suraj that gave a new twist to the case. Young Suraj found himself behind the bars on June 10, 2013 for allegedly abetting actress and his ex-girlfriend Jia Khan's suicide, but was later released on bail. The case is ongoing. Madhur Bhandarkar, bringing the issue of casting couch back in the limelight. National Award-winning director Madhur Bhandarkar was dragged in a rape case after a struggling actress Preeti Jain pressed charges of molestation against Bhandarkar in 2006. However, Madhur was granted bail and was allowed to walk free by the court court on the grounds of unavailable evidence. And now the latest one. Yes, this one is against Mr. Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan. A case has been filed in Ghaziabad court saying that they were seen covering their bodies with national flag in a manner insulting to nation. Complainant Chetan Dhiman, in his complaint before the Judicial Magistrates Court, said that the actors were seen with the national flag during the India-Pakistan World Cup cricket match on February 15th, 2015.